So right off the bat, really like the overall drive of this car. It's really, really refined, really smooth, but still really quick. The suspension is on the stiffer side, but it's still relatively comfortable, and it's nothing that your average person is going to complain about. And a lot of that has to go to these Vernasca seats. They just feel really, really nice. And they're pretty adjustable as well. And really good brake pedal feel too. Nice and sturdy. So I'm gonna put the vehicle in the Eco Pro now. Have it set to the standard mode. And it does dial it back quite a bit. And I really like this fuel efficiency gauge here. And it's nice to have that in the Eco Pro mode. Let's put it into Sport Plus mode, my favorite. Oh, that's funny. We won't be able to really have any hard accelerations, but we'll be able to hear this awesome exhaust. We're going to give it a little pull here. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. And these shifts, oh, they're just so much fun. But that exhaust rumble is just, oh, it's so nice. And I drove an X3 M340i recently, and the crazy thing is, even though it's a small SUV, it was just as exhilarating driving that as it is driving this. And BMW just does a really good job with their 3-liter turbocharged setups. But especially this Sport Plus mode, it's so much fun. And I mean, it gives you quite the passing power, it really does. I'm gonna put it back in the Eco Pro now. Kind of drive normally. And it's crazy how just with the press of a button, how this goes from the ultimate sports car to just your everyday commuter vehicle that can get you 30 miles per gallon plus on the highway. And those fuel economy numbers really are astonishing, because this car just, it's one of the few cars that does not feel like people say it is. Like, I shouldn't be getting 30 miles a gallon in an entry-level BMW and then still be able to do 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. It's just crazy. And I've got a Tesla Model 3. There are a few cars that can give me that same sense of enjoyment in the $50,000, $60,000 range, but this is one of them. It's just unbelievable how tame this car is in this Eco Pro mode. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in the sport mode one more time. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so much fun. I mean, just incredible acceleration. And I actually had my foot pretty much in at that time. That's why the camera got thrown back. Oh man. But if you're looking for something really sporty that's still practical, this is one of my top 5 favorite cars ever. It really is. And that's really how I like my cars. I like them fun, but practical. A lot of the times you can't get both, but cars like this, the C63, honestly, of course the Tesla Model 3, and you know, your Model S's and things of that nature, they're practical, but at the same time they're not, because for most people they're out of their budget. But something like this, especially, you can get used for 50, maybe less. Can't beat that. This is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2020 BMW M340i.